how to make phone calls on your iPhone 13. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you to make calls. So first of all, you have to open off your phone app. Tap on the green phone icon on the home screen in the app drawer. You can open up your phone app. After that, you have to just go for the dialing or number. Option 1 is you have to use your keypad. So under your keypad, you have to use the number here, and after using the number, you can just call them by tapping on the green icon, or you can go for the use contact option, which is on the bottom. You can see that tap on the contact, which is on the bottom of your phone app. Scroll down for the search bar, or you can use the search bar to contact for the contact that you want to call. On the option C, you can just go for the recent tab. Find the number or contact you have recently called and just tap on them. Also, you can use a Siri to make call. Hold the side button here so you can see that here. And after that, you can end the call, which is indicated by the red phone icon. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.